square and how to find the triplets. Okay. So question number 8 is express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay. So of course you need, first of all, you should know what are the odd numbers, right? So you will start from 1. Okay. And I think you people are smart enough to do this, right? Like for example, 1 plus another odd number is, tell me, after 1, what odd numbers
3.
come? 3. Then
5.
Then
7.
okay. Then
9.
Then
11.
11. Then
13.
Then
You are doing the 8th one, right?
yes, 8th first.
17.
Huh? 17. What about 15?
Yes, ma'am. 15 also.
And then 17.
19.
Yes.
Yes.
Then 19.
19.
Then
21. I think we did a lot of numbers. They asked only 7, right?
yes, I'll tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
23.
okay. So these are your numbers, right? Everybody got this? What I did, right? Now what you have to find, it's like express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay, so you have to find. So now these are, I was just teaching you that these are the odd number and so on. Okay, now first 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take these 7, add it up, are you getting this 49? Yes. How would you get to know, ma'am? By this you will get
Because
49.
7 square.
Yes. You remember in this question, these are the odd numbers only. This is applicable only for odd numbers. Okay. For example, if I give you this question, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Tell me the answer. What will be the, so over here you're not going to add it. 7, 8, 9, 10. No. You're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 square and this is, that means the sum would be 25. Clear? Everybody? Yes. Only applicable for odd numbers. Okay, if I give you any odd numbers and I ask you that tell me the sum. Okay, so you just need to count it. I think we did it and I gave as a homework as well, right? You need to add it and the sum, the square would be the answer, right? So similarly in this question I'm asking you 7 odd numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The homework you gave,
Hmm.
it was, we have to just like find the, ma'am, I did not multiply.
You don't have to
Then in
multiply
the
this.
last multiply.
I gave you this question as a homework. I
Yes,
recently
ma'am.
checked the
Like
answer
after
before
we
borrowing it.
find the number,
Hmm.
it's 5, right? I
Yes.
didn't multiply it with another 5.
Yes, so basically it's like, yes, Sindhu, I checked your answer and over there what you wrote 5 square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, in that I just wrote the feedback as well that you have to write 25, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you did it correctly, but the only thing what you missed one step was, see, if I have to calculate it, what is 5 square, then why I am giving you the question? The examiner need the answer. So answer is this, not this. Okay? Yes, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
now it's like first over here. So if like I'm asking for, I express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be the answer for the first part. Now the second is express 121 as a sum of 11 odd numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So till here you will come and this will be the answer for the second one. Everybody got it? These two questions are very, very important. So be very careful while doing this. I hope everybody got the answers, right?
Yes,
Right? So, but the only thing is that you should not, sometimes what happen in hurry, we miss. Like for example, 13, after 13 we are like 17. We just miss this. So you don't have to miss any number. You have to be very careful. That's why I wrote all this number. Okay?
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, while we're writing the answer, so basically we have to count how many numbers are there in total.
And then we have
Yeah,
to find
I'm
that square.
writing this one. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So if I write the answer, I'll write this. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7
Just
plus
one minute.
9 plus
After
11
that,
plus 13. Got it?
just one more, like, after that, do we need to
No. Just write
find the
this because they
square?
ask you some. No need to write the answer. Only this
Okay.
one
You have
is needed.
to do
Okay.
what, like,
Yes.
in the first with the what we have to. Can you explain it?
You have to write the numbers that if you will add these numbers, you will get 49. So these are the number when you will add and you will get 49. Clear? Got it?
Then we have to find out, like, if we add some numbers, that
Yes.
then we have to.
So
Then
it's like 7 odd numbers. So first 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second one, it's like 11 odd numbers. Right? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 till here. Okay? So now for the first one, you will write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And for the second one, which is 121, you will write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Clear?
Ma'am, it's like this, like, we have to just add the odd numbers.
Yes, you don't have to add
Only
it.
7 odd
You have to just
numbers.
write
Then
this. Yes.
then
You
we
have to
will
tell
get
the
49.
examiner if you will add these number, you are going to get 121. If you are going to add these number, you are going to get 49. That's it. Okay, so everybody quickly note it down. Then we will do the ninth one because today I have to complete 2 topics. So quickly note this down. Okay, and then we will do the next one.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
for the ninth one, it's basically 12 square and 13 square, right?
Yes, we'll come to that. Like just write this and then we'll explain. Okay.
Uh,
Ma'am, for
Hmm.
the eighth one, it cannot be any 7 odd numbers. It
No,
should
no,
only
no, no,
be
no, no. We cannot write any 7 na, because we have to write in sequence.
Okay, ma'am. Following the thing, you have to just do how many numbers are there to the part 2.
Yes. That I'll tell you. Don't worry. Quickly write
Okay.
down the 8th one, then we will do the ninth one. Okay, Ronnie, you joined late. I was just teaching the question number 11, 8th, Ronnie. It's like express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay. So, of course, the odd numbers you know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Right? So, these are the 7 odd numbers. Right? And in the second one, they are asking you write the sum of 11 odd numbers. So, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got it? So you have to only write the odd number. You cannot write in between the even number. Clear? And you cannot mix match it. You have to write in consecutive one. Fine, Ronnie? Ronnie, am I audible? Write in the chat box if your mic is not working. Okay, everybody finished writing question number 8? Yes, no? Student, finished?
Yes.
Okay, everybody finished? Yes, Ronnie, I was teaching you that only. I just thought you heard. Okay, see, in eighth question, basically, Ronnie, you have to just, what you have to do is, like, you have to just express it, right? Express 49 as the 7 odd number sum. Okay, so what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and all that. So you have to write first 7 odd numbers that you will add and you will get 49. Okay, just follow the sequence. Then the second number says express 121 as a sum of 11 odd number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 till 21 you will write, and if you will add it up, then it will give you 121. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished now? Should we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 9. Okay. So, in question number 9, basically, you need to be very, like, it's very easy, but you need to only learn one statement. Okay. I'm just saying one statement, so you people will try to learn it. Okay. So, it says between n square and n plus 1 square. Okay. There are 2n non-perfect square numbers. Clear? So, I'm just writing it here. Okay. I'll just paste it. Just give me 1 minute, students. Okay, I'm just writing it here. You people will note it, the statement. Between n square, this is n square, okay? N square and n plus 1 square. So it is between n square and n plus 1 square. There are 2n non-perfect square number. Clear? Got it?
No, ma'am.
You see. You just write the statement first, everyone, for question number 9, then I'll tell you. Okay? Everyone finish writing this? Between n square and n plus 1 square, there are 2n non-perfect square numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes? Got it? Everybody wrote it?
Ma'am,
So if
I
you,
don't get it.
you just have to write this. Don't get it. Just write it. I'll explain it again. Just write it. Write this line and let me know once you are done.
Ma'am.
Okay, I hope everybody finished, right? So this question says that between n square, right, and n plus 1 square, there are 2n non-perfect square. So for example, n square and n plus 1 square. Okay, so for example, n is 12. So 12 square and 12 plus 1 square. So if n is 12, then this will be 13 square. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I hope everybody got this. So sorry for the disturbance. See, if I say n is 12, so n plus 1 would be, tell me, if
13.
n is 12, then n plus 1 would be 12 plus 1, 13. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? N is 12. So what about n plus 1? So it will be 12 plus 1, which is 13. Right? So the question plus 1. If you will do square of these two, then in between these two, basically there are 2n numbers that are present. Clear? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Between these two, so first of all, you will check if this is n. Like for example, in case if it is like this 12 and 14, right? Then this is not applicable. Right? Because if n is 12, n plus 1 would be 13 and here it is 14. So this is not applicable. Right? But this statement is applicable because if n is 12, n plus 1 is 13. So that means these two. Right? So the question says how many number lie between square of the following. So they are saying square of 12 and square of 13. How many numbers are lying? So what does it say? It says there are 2n numbers. Right? So what is n? Tell me. What is n? In
12.
these two, what is 12, right? So 2 multiplied by 12 would be 24. So 24 numbers are lying in between these two numbers. Okay, I hope I have made everyone clear this. Okay, I have made myself clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only Gauri is saying yes. What about others? Naisha, Chakrika, Khadija, Ronnie, Sindhus?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Sure?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt. For n plus 1 square, the same only it is.
Yes, at first n plus 1. n plus 1 would be 13 and 13 square.
So, ma'am, we have to do 13 square. So, that's how
Yes.
many numbers it lies.
Yes. Yes. So, see, read the statement. It says between n square and n plus 1 square, there are 2n numbers. Right? So, this is n square. Yes. Yes, ma'am, because n is 12. Right? And n plus 1 is 13. So, 13 square. So, how many number will be lying between these two? 2n. So, what is 2n? 2 multiplied by 12. So, that means, ma'am, 24 numbers will lie in between this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now how you are going to write the answer is you will write here this. I'll just show you. Okay. So you will write it like this. 12 square and 13 square. The numbers lies between 12 square. The number lie between 12 square and 13 square is 24. Right? Got it? Yeah. Or you can write equals to 24 natural numbers. Clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then you will write the statement this. Between n square and n plus 1 square, there are 2n non-perfect square numbers. So that's why it is equals to 24 natural numbers. Clear?
Ma'am.
So now you can do this and this as well, right? Second and third. You people can do this? Second and third?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so quickly do second and third and then we'll discuss the answer.
Ma'am, for that sum, how did we get the n value? Could you just explain it
N is the
again?
first value. Okay? N is the first number which is given. Clear? Got it? N is the first number. Okay? So in case if like for example if I would have given 25 and 27, then n is your this and n plus 1 would be 26, but here 27 is given, so this property is not applicable. But here you will first check whether this property is applicable or with the first number. And then you have to check whether the second number is n plus 1 or not. Okay? Got it, everybody? Naisha, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Naisha, you also got it?
Now, can you explain it again?
See, the only thing is that the first number would be n and the second
Your
number would
voice
be
is
n plus
breaking
1.
in between.
Okay, so the first number is n and the second number is n plus 1. You have to check it whether this is n plus 1 or not. Right? For example, if I give you 25 and 28. So this is n and this is n plus 25, 26, 27, 28, 3. Got it? So you have to check whether this number is n plus 1 or not. Okay. So in this case, second case also, n is given, which is 25. So you have to check whether this is n plus 1 or not. So n plus 1 means 25 plus 1. Yes, ma'am, it is 26 only. Right? So this is applicable. So that means between these two number, 2n number would be possible. right? So you will write 2n and then you will get the answer.
What do we have to solve now?
Second and third part you finished? This?
The second one, not the third one.
Sorry.
Ma'am.
Naisha, you are not audible. Naisha.
Can you call me?
Yes, I can hear you.
And I'm just solving.
Okay, solve it. Okay, done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so over here 2n. So what will be the answer?
50.
50, right? And because n is 25, so 2 multiplied by 25 would give you 50. Okay, and for this one, 99 multiplied by 2. So what will be the answer? 198? Yes, 198 numbers. I hope I have made myself clear to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so now let's just move to the next one. You have to find the square. Okay, so over here, like for example, 39. Okay, so you don't have to do the actual multiplication like 20 and all that. You have to just find it. I hope two identities everybody knows. If you don't know, you can write. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, And the second identity, a minus b whole square, would be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I hope these two identity everybody know. Anyone who don't know these two identity, you can write it down in a notebook. Okay, everybody finished writing these two properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now let's just come to this question. For example, I'm just solving this one, 23 one. Okay. I gave you that find the square root of 23. Okay. So first of all, how 23 is being made? 20 plus 3? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Right? If I ask you to find the square of 23, what you will do? 23 multiply by 23. Right? And then you will find. But you don't have to find it through the multiplication. So first you will break 23, 20 plus 3. So what is happening? This is a plus b and the whole square. Right? Students, get it very carefully. Right? For example, 23 square. I'm just asking you to find the square of 23. So what you are going to do, you are going to break it 20 plus 3 and then you're going to make it like this. Okay. This is your a and this is your b. So what property it makes? Of course, this one, a plus b whole square. Right. So the property which is applicable over here is a plus b whole square. Right. Equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right. Whenever you get a question like this, just over here inside write a is 20 and b is 3. Clear? Now a means 20 square plus 2. A is 20, B is 3 plus B square. Okay, I'm just writing the value here. Okay, so then 20 square you will do, plus you will solve this. To quickly solve this, I think you people are smart enough to solve this now, right? Quickly solve it and tell me the answer. Okay, before solving, everybody tell me whether you got this, what I did in this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only Gauri is getting. What about others? Where's the energy? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Not in the mood?
I didn't understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Khadija didn't understand. Okay, wait, Khadija, I'll explain.
Can you
See,
explain again? It will be better.
yes, I'll explain. I'll just use some different pen. Okay, so this was 23. I breaked it. Can I write it 20 plus 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then that if I'm writing 20 plus 3, that means you can see somewhere it is same 23a, b and square, right? So from here, first of all, you should know what is the value of A and what is the value of B. So A is your 20 and B is your 3. So simply in this one, you will just write it. A is 20, so 20 square, A square. 2, A is 20, B is 3. B square, 3 square. You just need to put the value. Now you will solve it. Like 20 square, you will solve plus 2 multiply by 20 multiply by 3 like this, plus 3 square like this. You will solve and you will get the final answer. Clear? Is this clear now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Rita, Sindus,
Ma'am.
Ronnie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who said ma'am? Anyone who has any doubt? The
Ma'am.
only thing is that you know the
The
property
last
and
what you
need to just
did
where
in the last like 20.
you just need to
20.
solve it. It's up to you. 20 square you
Ma'am,
will
I'm done.
solve, right? 20 square plus 2. First you will multiply these two. So what will be the 20 square? Tell me. 20 square you people
400.
I
Ma'am,
think you will
400.
get. Right? 400. And now how you will solve this? 20 plus 3. 3 2s are 6. 60 multiply by 2 and 3 is 9. Okay. So over here 400 plus 120 plus 9. Now you will add them up. 400, 120 and 9. 9, 2, 4, 5, 6. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? This is how you need to solve this. I hope
Ma'am,
everybody got this. Hmm?
uh, Ma'am, aren't we supposed to multiply 2 with 20 and 2 with 3?
Okay, wait. Why I did 2? Sorry, I just would be 5 only. So it's Tell me.
Ma'am, aren't we supposed to multiply 2 into 20 and 2 into 3?
No. Distributive property, Chakrika, tell me. It is like this.
Oh,
Got it? They both are
yes.
in multiplication. So in distributive, it's like this, but it is not a distributive. Clear?
Yes. So,
Okay. So I hope and everybody, right? 529 would be your answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody, if you want to write it down, quickly note it down in your notebook. This one. Okay. And then I'll give you one question to solve. Don't need to worry, student. First thing, you need to break it. And of course, I told you two properties. See, you can use the first property as well. Like for example, 23. I can make 23 20 plus 3, or I can make it 30 minus 7. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So if I do this 30 minus 7, then I will use this property A minus B. Okay, see, if in case if it is 29, it is very easy to do 30 minus 1, na? Instead of doing 20 plus 9. So it's your choice. Your answers will be always same. But if you choose this one, then you have to this. And the only thing you have to find A and B. Once you got the value of A and B, just put in the formula. That's it. And then solution, I hope everybody is smart enough to solve. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody quickly note it down this one. Then I'll give you one question to solve.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone who's still doing? I'll give you the next question then. No? Okay. Now you people will find me this 39. Okay. So who will tell me in this case what is possible? If you will break it, it will be 30 plus 9. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, voice is not audible.
Okay, am I audible now? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so it's like 30 plus 9 you have to do, and I already told you how to do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
No, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who is still doing?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Let's just start. Then tell me what you people got.
Ma'am,
700.
1.21.
Sorry? Mm-hmm. Tell me your answers.
Ma'am, I got 1,
1521.
Okay, 1521. But Naisha, you got something else?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. How? Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Recheck it once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show how to solve it?
Okay. So it was 39, right? So I'll solve it here. So 39, it's like 30 plus 9. So this is my A, this is my B. Okay. So 30 square plus 2AB plus B square. So 30 square would be 900 plus 180 multiply by 2 plus 9 nines are 81. Right? So 900 plus 180 into 2 is 270. Who will tell me? 8, 28, 16, 22, 3. 360, right?
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
everyone. 360 plus 81. Add them up.
Ma'am,
900. Yes.
ma'am, isn't it 30 into 9?
Yes.
30 into 9 is
Sorry. Yes.
270, right?
Yeah. I just did 2 into 90. Okay, wait. So 30 into 9 would be 270, right? Then 270 into 2 is
540.
540.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then add them up. Let's
Ma'am,
add.
you get 1521.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 1, 2, 1. Naisha, what you did? Why you did it wrong?
Actually, I forgot to add the 0 for 900. 10. I wrote 90 instead of 900.
Ah. No, it will be 900, na? 3 square is 9 and 0 square is 0, 0. Right?
Ma'am,
Got it?
I did.
Okay. So you have noted it?
Yes,
Noted? Okay. Now you people will do the next one, 42. Quickly do it.
ma'am, done.
Okay, let's just wait for others quickly. How many exercises we have for this?
Ma'am, isn't the sixth chapter is squares and square roots the sixth chapter in the NCERT textbook?
Yes. 6th.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Naisha, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I think everyone is done.
Everybody finish?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, 1764.
Yes. Everybody got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
764?
About 1764.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1
Anyone
6.
who 1764.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I just needed to, I was planning to teach you Pythagoras triplet as well, but we don't have enough time to start this. So we will do this in the next class. And then this exercise 6.2, and after that, let's see how many things we have to do. Through prime factorization is easy. You people can easily do this.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
do we need another